Hello and welcome to Blocs Master. This is the first video of 2026, first of many, and in this video I will show you how to easily add and manage the drop-down links in Blocs projects. Let me open Blocs. This is some of the projects I have, and basically right now I already have some of the menus here, and I will just add a new navbar brick, and we can start from scratch. To make it visible a little bit better, I will add some dark ground and I will make the links white. So basically, well, there are two ways to manage and add drop-down menus. It depends on what kind of menu are you using. And there is the source set to none, which is the manual menu, and there is primary menu, for example. We can name it whatever you want. This is the menu which is managed using the menu manager. So two ways, menu manager and manual. So for menu manager, you basically select one of the menus using this sidebar, and from here you can open the menu manager, and inside here you can see we have 5 links right now. Let's say that we want to make the services as a drop-down menu. We want to services open a drop-down menu, and to do that we can click on this gear icon or just double click on the services, and for the type we can just choose drop-down open menu. Well, we can just choose open menu, and then we can select the menu we have. I already have one menu here, but I will actually create another one. So to create a menu, you can just go to add new menu, name this services, and then you can add as many links as you want, and each of these links can be navigated to page, URL, or even open a custom interaction, or even open another menu if you want some multi-level drop-down menus in your website. So once you've done that and you have this menu title services here, you can go to your primary menu, and then here you can now choose which of the open menu, which of the menus you want to choose. So after you select the open menu, it will show you the list of the menus available, and right now we have created services, so let's select services, and now you will see that we have services, and then if we click on it, well, let's go to preview mode. If we click on it, you will see that it will open the drop-down menu. Very simple, very easy. And of course, if you're using the manual mode, so manual mode is when we select the list. So right now, if we select one of the links and then go to lists, you can see that source is set to none. And this means that each of these links is just editable manually. You can do whatever you want with them. You cannot select individual links if you're using the primary menu or menu manager. And this is why I actually prefer to use the source set to none, because it gives me the full freedom to do whatever I want. So if you set the source to none, you can just select the services link, and here in the sidebar it says interactions, and you can change the type to open dropdown. If you open dropdown, it will automatically create a menu for you. You don't even need to create a menu, and then you can just select the list items and duplicate them as many times as you want. Each item can be easily renamed. So new page here, and then new page here. You can easily reorder them using the layer tree, for example. You can move them up or down. And each of these links can also be set to any page, or we can even use many of the other additional interaction types which were not available in menu manager. So that's why I recommend to use this method. It is more flexible and you have more freedom to add different types of interactions. For example, email link, you can just put your email address here, and then, well, if people click on this link, it will send email to the email address you put there. And that's it. This is 2 ways you can easily create and manage the drop-down menus in Blocs. I think it's pretty straightforward, but well, I don't know. If you're a beginner, maybe it is a little bit confusing. So hopefully this video was helpful. If you have any other requests or suggestions or questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer them. Have a nice day and well, Happy New Year, everybody. I will see you next week.